Alright, so this is packet tracer 5217. Examine the ARP table. Alright, so click 172.16.31.2. That's 3. I cannot see these numbers very well. Okay, there we go. Open the command prompt. Okay, enter ARP. Oops. Okay, so that erased everything. Enter simulation mode. And enter the command ping 172.16.31.3. Two PDUs will be generated. The ping command cannot complete the ICMP packet without knowing the MAC address of the destination, so the computer sends an ARP broadcast frame to find the MAC address of the destination. Click capture forward once. Okay. The ARP PDU moves switch 1 while the ICMP PDU disappears, waiting for the ARP reply. Open the PDU and record the destination MAC address. Is this address listed in the table above? The broadcast. No, it's not in the table above. That's a broadcast MAC address. Okay, so oh man, I keep losing my place. Click capture forward to move the PDU to the next device. Alright, so it sent it to the router and it sent it to these two computers. How many copies of the PDU did switch 1 make? It made 2 copies, I guess, plus the original, so maybe 3. What is the IP address of the device that accepted the PDU? 172.16.31.31.70. 31. Oh, that's the beginning of the last one. 172.16.31.3. Yep, okay. Open the PDU and examine layer 2. Layer 2. What happened to the source and destination MAC address? They changed from a broadcast to an actual address. Click capture forward until the PDU returns to 172.16.31.2. Alright. How many copies of the PDU did the switch make during the ARP reply? Just 1. Unless that little blue one counts as 1, then it's 2. But that's the ICMP. Examine the ARP table. Note that the ICMP packet reappears. Open the PDU and examine the MAC addresses. Destination MAC, source MAC. Okay. Do the MAC addresses of the source and destination align with their IP addresses? Let's see. So destination 00607036 2849. So that is destination should be 172.16.31.3. Yep, that matches. And then the source 000C should be 172.16.31.2. Yep, it matches. Switch back to real time and the ping completes. Click 172.16.31.2 and enter the ARPA command. Okay, stop mouse. Okay. To what IP address does the MAC address entry correspond? 172.16.31.3. Examine a switch MAC address table. Generate additional traffic to populate the switch MAC address table. Okay. So from 172.16.31.2, so that is this one. We're going to ping 172.16.31.4. Successful. Okay. Click 10.10.10.2. Command prompt, ping 10.10.10.3. It wants to know how many replies were sent and received. 4 sent, 4 received. Examine the MAC address table on the switches. Click switch 1 and then the CLI tab. Okay. Enter the show MAC address table command. There we go. Okay. Do the entries correspond to those in the table above? Zero 02 1641 8D75. That's this one. Gig 0 FA3 00C 855C. That's this one. That's FA0 FA1. Yep, they correspond. Click switch 0 CLI. Okay, do the entries correspond with the tables above? MAC address 0001 6458 2501. Gig 01 0060 284. Yep, they correspond. Why are 2 MAC addresses associated with 1 port? I'm not sure. Unless there's 2 things hooked up to 1 port, I'm not sure. Generate traffic to produce ARP traffic. Click 172 and open command prompt, enter ping command. Okay, so we're just going to do this. 2 to 1001. I guess we can't do that. Never mind. Okay, 172. Stop it. ping 10, 10, 10, 1. Okay. Let's try that again. Huh. Okay. ARP-D. Repeat the ping. Alright, so it says, how many PDUs appear? 4 of them appear. Click capture forward. Doop. Okay. Click the PDU that is now at switch 1. What is the target destination IP address of the ARP request? What is the target destination IP address? 172.16.31.4. Okay, switch to real-time mode. Click router 1 and then click CLI tab. Okay. Enter privileged exec mode. And then show MAC address table. Okay. How many MAC addresses are in the table? None, because we cleared them and we haven't added any new ones yet. Enter the show ARP command. Okay. Is there an entry for 172.16.31.2? There sure is. Alright. What happens to the first ping in a situation where the router responds to the ARP request? I'll have all the answers to these questions linked on the website.